So welcome back to the hedge trimmer video, first one. I've just finished cleaning it all up. I did that off camera because, to be honest, it took me ages. A lot longer than I thought it would. So I just thought, yeah. Now we're just literally putting it all back together, which is like relatively easy. But these are all the parts that I cleaned. They're all fresh, ready to go. Some of them are still drying off a bit. What way was that on like that? I'll just put that in more depth, for God's sakes. Oh no. And there's another little screw. Goes in the back. Next, we'll put the fuel tank. Just dry this off a tiny little bit. Oh my God, so slippy. That literally just pops back on there. Right, so there's this part here that goes like that. That's got, it's one of these. STIHL tool coming in clutch again. Links in description below. Weirdly enough though, this actually had a screw in it that wasn't this size and it was a slightly smaller one. This rarely happens. So maybe it isn't all powerful. Right, the next thing to go in is this. Is the cover. I may have lost the bolt. Oh no. No, I haven't. I don't know where that is. I just noticed that you can't see anything that way. Get the engine. Right, oh, the cylinder. Am I going to be able to do this with no gloves? I don't really want to, but I will. Do have a tool for this though. Boom, boom, boom. First of all, chuck some of this in there. Some of that in there, that in there. Oh my God, that went everywhere. That's what it is. Next thing is to put the gaskets in. Got some fresh gaskets. These were expensive, man. All things considered, what I usually pay for gaskets. What way does that go though? That goes that way. Like that? Yeah. Chuck that on. Early doors. What a tool this is. Right. It might not even need it, to be fair. Oh, you little bastard. Come on. Right. I'm close. Just need to get this last fucking ring compressed. There's these little balls, right, in the piston where the ring sits perfectly flush, and for some goddamn reason it keeps slipping out right as I'm about to compress it. But then I can't get to it compressed because obviously it slips as soon as I've moved this. So I'm just going around in a fucking circle. Oh, this car ain't fucking clean anymore on the outside, is it? I'm not gonna lie, although I do this all the time, boy, these small carbs are such a nightmare. I mean, small pistons even. They are such a nightmare. How about being an intelligent human being? Just put it in the fucking vice. Where the fuck am I supposed to put my fucking fingers to though? That's what I don't get. Oh baby, fucking perseverance, let's have it. That's what I'm fucking talking about, bitch. Oh no. There we go. Oh my fucking god, man. Pain. Oh, I fucking put this in the wrong way around, don't I? Nah. Don't worry, I won't make you watch that whole thing. I will speed that right up, but that's taken me 20 minutes. It's got dark in that time. Jesus Christ. Carry on now. Where are the bolts for that? Oh fuck it, I'm just gonna use these. Right. I am actually missing bolts then, like thinking about it, because this has got 2 bolts in it for the exhaust. So where are all my screws, man? Found my bolts. Bang the exhaust back on, which goes on the other side. Got a fresh gasket for that too. Right, that's sound. Now we actually want to put it back. I think that's the last thing to go in, yeah. We want to put that back into the hedge trimmer. So it's literally just lining that back up. There we go. Bolt it back in. It's one of the great things about these STIHLs, like they can just go on forever and ever, as long as they're like maintained. But they're so easy to maintain as well. Usually all the bolts are the exact same size, so you only need really one tool, which is a lifesaver. Next, chuck this back on. Ooh, okay, panic over. So I was just putting it on the wrong way. Classic. Have to just keep going, man, in this life. Oh, wait. Let me put the throttle on first. This glove's doing nothing for me, apart from making my life difficult. I always much prefer to not work with gloves. Right, boom, boom, boom. Sound. Put this on. It just goes on like that. Final piece in the puzzle. Clean it up again. But, right, fuel. Have to go off camera for this a sec. Definitely be a little bit easier with a wide angle. Little fun fact, STIHLs were actually the first thing that I learned to fix. Put that on start. Take it off the bench. Oh my god. Hello. Nice. Well, it starts and runs, but the blades need to be tightened up. Okay. Let's see if that runs any smoother. Oh. Oh, my bad. But yeah, there you have it. That's done. As I said, I'm gonna get a video tomorrow of me actually trimming the hedge with it. Show you that it actually does work, even though you can see it working. And then yeah, just wipe it up a little bit. There's like I need to wipe some of the rust off the blade and that. But yeah, apart from that, blessed. It's night time here, Saturday 6:30, and I'm out here doing this, so. But I'm away next weekend, so I gotta get it all done. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe for more like this. If you're new, if you're returning, then bless you, it's much appreciated. There'll be another video out ASAP, really. Gonna get the other hedge trimmer fixed up tomorrow as well, so 2 hedge trimmers in 2 days, not doing too bad. But yeah, anyway, have a blessed weekend and a blessed day, and yeah, peace.